I guess this all started a few years ago, and most of it was on my fault because I hadn't really been a regular at the dentist. And all of a sudden, I started having pain in my mouth, through my teeth when I chewed, and actually had some teeth were starting to fall out. When I came and had a Dr. Drone take a look at it and give me some advice on what I had to have done. And I wasn't a candidate for regular dentures. The reason I wasn't a candidate for dentures is I had a lot of bone loss in my gum area, and they just wouldn't be able to set them properly. They would be moving all the time, and we elected to go with the full implants. We got Dr. Drone because of my wife, who did a lot of research, even Vegas, Mexico, all over the country. And it just turned out, we live here in Valparaiso, and it turned out we got lucky and found Dr. Drone, that he came very highly recommended.
I met Stewart. He came into our office one day, and his concerns were that he had some mobility and some bone loss on his teeth, and it was becoming very challenging for him to chew. He's an elderly patient, and he also wanted to really enhance his smile. It was time for him to take care of his smile and get a better bite for himself so he could enjoy his retirement, because he's just new to that.
Yeah, my first encounter with Dr. Drone, actually, when we first came into the office, we were greeted very pleasantly. The staff was very attentive to us, and Dr. Drone my wife and I both immediately liked him. We felt that we made the right decision, and he was very capable.
So Stewart wanted to be able to chew better, and it was really important for him to have a smile. He's never been happy with his smile, and his wife came in, and we worked together as a team to develop a smile and a new bite for him. And after his procedure, he was just amazed that something like this, where he's been challenged by having a really nice smile and being able to eat what he wanted to eat, and now we provided him with a nice smile and a stunning result. And this day, every day he comes in, he just appreciates the fact now that he can have a great smile and still be able to eat the foods that he's always wanted to eat.
When everyone saw my new smile, everybody was impressed with it. I mean, they said that it made me look younger, it made me look more confident, and it's just ecstatic what he did for me with my teeth. My wife is very happy with it. No, I would definitely recommend Dr. Drone, Dr. Stevenson, Dr. Serber. They're just a great team. Jenny, one of their assistants, is just personable, and they just make the experience very, very good.